Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a full featured video calling app using Laravel 12, React and Zigo Cloud UI kits. Okay, so first of all, I'll give you the demo, then we can again create this from scratch. So let's start. So here you can see it is my Laravel 12 React starter kit, and here is my video call page that I make. Okay, so my user that is login is Lina. Okay, so the user who is login, uh, and here is the available users list. So it is the opposite user that are available and are in the database. Okay, so here is my Lina user, and this user can see in the opposite node users, not the same user. Okay, and on the other browser, I have the user that is login is John, and John can see the other user, not uh, his himself in the list. Okay, so that's it. So now what we built in it is I'll just simple click on the this call link, and it open the video call model pop-up. Okay, just click on it, and here you can see it open the model, and also I have to turn on my microphone, and also I can turn on my camera. Okay, that's great. Okay, and also I can see here the settings. Okay, and now I can also hear the join the room. Okay, and one more thing in it, when I'll just simple click on this, it automatically add my name here, and on the other side, when I'll just simple click on this Lina, it automatically add here the name that is his login user here. Okay, so it automatically add the login username here. So that's amazing. Okay, so when I'll just simple click on this, hit close it. Okay, so now I'll just simple show you how this video call work. Okay, so now I'll just simple click on join, and here you can see I'll join the uh, call with this. I join the meeting. Okay, so now I'll just simple click also join from here, and now you can see it is showing me the members, and I have two members, room members here. So it is like we just simple create a room, and members can join. Okay, so this is the basic example idea of how we can integrate and make a video call applications, and integrate these things, these functionalities into our applications. Okay, also we have option here to share the screen, like we have in the Google Meet, same as it is. Also I can share here, also I can on my camera here, so any user can show their face and talk. Okay, also I can open my microphone here, same all these functionalities on the other side. So John, Lina can also open their camera and share open mic. Okay, all the things, and also I can send the message. When I'll send the message here, hey, and on the other side I'll receive the message. Okay, so that's amazing thing. Okay, so it is like completely amazing. Okay, so this is the demo, and this all happened due to this Zigo Cloud UI kits, and now I will show you how we can use these powerful Zigo Cloud platform to make our applications and integrate into our application voice, video, and chat APIs. So that's it. This is our demo. So now we can again create this from
First of
scratch. So let's
okay,
start. So friend, first of all, what we have to do there is we just simple make the APIs of Zigo Cloud, and then we can make our project of Laravel 12, and then integrate in it. Okay, so just open browser and search here Zigo Cloud. Okay, And after this, just open this site, that is Zero Cloud Voice Video Chat APIs for real-time interaction. Okay, just open this site. Okay, so here, okay, so now here it is showing me the home page, and when I'll just simple click on start building it, it bring it to our dashboard page. But for now, just simple explore this side. Okay, and here we have multiple options in it. Okay, so we can integrate the SDKs and UI kits or APIs of this video call. Also, we have a voice call option, live streaming in chat app, cloud recording, AI effects, superboard, and digital home. Okay, so all the things we have in it, and also we have a complete documentation of this, how we can start in it, demo apps, blogs, all the things. Okay, also we have a UI kits. Okay, so you can open it and fast time to market with a ready to ship UI kit. Okay, so it is like we just simple install the UI kit and integrate it securely and build the experience. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, so you can integrate in Android, iOS, React Native, or Flutter. Okay, and now I have the documentation session also, where I can find the documentation. Just click on this, find out more, and you can see the documentation of all these features. Okay, that Zigo Cloud provide. Okay, so now here you can see what's the video call. It explain it more clearly how we can integrate these SDK and UI kits into our app, all the steps, okay, everything. Okay, so that's it. And here from this drop down on the left side, you can select the app, on which app you are going to integrate the UI kits or SDK or APIs. Just select this and it automatically reloaded and provide you the SDK documentation overview according to your selected app. Okay, so that's it. Now we can just start working it with. Okay, so just you have to do is just click on sign up. Okay, and here you can see now you just simple need to add here your first name, last name, country, region, from which region you belong. Okay, and work email, what's your work email, and here you need to add the phone number and get the verification code on your phone, and just enter the code here. Okay, so that's it. And also need to add their password. Okay, and one more thing in it, Zico Cloud provide us free credits of 10,000 free minutes. Okay, and it is also platform compatible. You can integrate it in with any development environment. Okay, so I'll just simple now register. Just add here Unity coding, and just add here Unity and just here coding. Okay, and I'll just simple provide here the country region, so I'll just simple add here mine, Pakistan, and just add here the work email. So what's your work email, you can add here. So I'll add here my email, and then we need to verify this. When I'll just simple click on get code, it send the code on the email, and then it I'll add here the verification code. Okay, so that's it. So here I'll need to add here the password, so I'll just simple add here password. Okay, okay, so I'll add here this password and click on OK. So that's it. Now in the verification code, I'll just simple get the code. Just click on get code, and it say us to fill the reCAPTCHA. Just click on verify, and now it send me the code, and I'll just simple go to my Gmail. So you can check your Gmail work email that you add here to enter the verification code. So I'll just simple add here my verification code and just click on start your free trial. Okay, Okay, that's great. Okay, so now I am login here and it is saying me tell us about you and will provide you the most suitable product and solution. Okay, so I'll just simple add here the company name as I am influencer. Okay, and company website. So I'll just simple add here this Unity coding. So you can add here anything. Okay, and job title, I am also an individual developer and industry education, and I'll just simple select from here my contact number. Okay, so just add here Pakistan and add here your number. Okay. Okay, and just click on continue. And here you can see it say me benefits moment. We credit you the account for the following benefits. So I have 10,000 free minutes and free trial minutes and I can use in it. Okay, and also we can go for with advanced support plan. Okay, and it also give us free trial in advanced support plan also. Okay, so just go to dashboard. And here you can see we have just start working with it, but before going to work in it you can go to resources and explore the document, API references, UI kits and demo apps. Okay, also we have a project session, analytics dashboard. Okay, and also uses statistic. Okay, so when we integrate this and we use the minute, it automatically shows here the statistic, and also we have a billing center. Okay, and in the billing center we have, if we go with paid plan, so all the details shown here. Okay, that's it. And now it is showing analytics, so I'll just close this for now. And now the thing is just go to dashboard. Okay, and here you can see it is showing me Zigo Cloud UI kit now released. Okay, so what we need to do is uh, in this we Zigo Cloud offers pre-built UI kit. Okay, so basically it is just simple speed up the development. Okay, so we don't need to code from scratch, just integrate the UI components and launch our app. Okay, so its feature is like ready-made UI components, low-code development, and quick customization. Okay, so just click on this, create your first, and here you can see we have multiple options and the things according, so we can choose it according to our scenarios. So whether you are building a one-to-one tutoring, telehealth, game streaming, watch together, all the things we have in it that are uh, real-time applications required. Okay, so I'll just simple go with this voice and video call, and just click on this and scroll it down and click on next. And here you can see it say me just add your project name here, so I'll just simple add here real time video call. Okay, just add this name here. Okay. So you can add here another name also. Okay, they say we have a offer pre-built SDK that allow to full features and voice video call in your app. Okay, so we can embed these in our application. Also we can go with Android, iOS, web, so it automatically provide this and we just simple integrate it. Okay, so the other options we have is start with UI kit, so and start with SDKs. Okay, so we just simple click on this, start with UI kits, and here it just simple creating our UI kit, and then we can integrate it and do it further. Okay, after that processing completed, it bring me to this page. Okay, and now here we can have option integrate using Zigo UI kits and with simple customizable code. Okay, so it provide us customizable code with this, if we are just simple working with this UI kits, okay, it is very simple and easy. Okay, just click on for web as we are going with web, and here you can see when I'll just simple select the web, and also we can set up the basic configuration from here, like one-to-one call, group call, and if you need to we can also change here and add here the features and all the things. Okay, camera settings and microphone, all each and everything. Okay, so that's it. And also we can enable the camera and enable the microphone, all the things, all the functionality that we want and that we exclude, we can do. Okay, so now just simple click on this save and start to integrate. Okay, and here just simple allow this. Okay, so here it also provide us the experience with this built based on your config just made. Okay, just minimize it, and also we can check it, join the room, and here you can see it provide me all the features that we selected, and all the functionality same as it is that I'll show you in the demo. Okay, just this, and now we just simple click on here, get the config file and integrate. Okay, just click on this. Okay, that's it. And here you can see it also provides you the app ID and server secret. So you can use this also and use this also integrated in your application to work with it. And also we have a pre-built here download HTML file. So I'll just simple click on this download HTML file. Okay. So it downloaded, and now I'll just simple click on this. So here you can see when I'll just simple open this HTML file that we downloaded, it is show me this page like same as it is that we see in the demo and also on the Zero Cloud console. So when I'll click on join, I'll just simple join the room, and here I have one member, and also we have all the functionalities that we see in the Zero Cloud and on the uh, demo. Okay, so that's it. Also I can turn off the camera and on the camera. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple end this, and okay, and also I'll just simple show you the file in the VS Code, and then we can integrate it into our Laravel application. Okay, just click on file and open file, and here is my file in the downloads. Just open this file. Okay, and close this all. Okay, okay, that's it. So this is my file. It automatically add in it the my app ID, server secret, and all the credentials that we need. Okay, so it is just basic code. Okay, so that's it. And also it pass here the room ID that we need to pass here. So we need to pass here the room ID. That's then different members can join the room. Okay, so when I'll just simple duplicate it and join with other user, this user don't come to this room, so we need to pass here the room ID, so we can add this room ID when we are integrated into Laravel application. Okay, so that's it. Just close this. Okay, and now we just simple start working with our Laravel application and integrate in it. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is I'll just simple go to my Laravel projects directory where my Laravel projects are. I have this. Okay. And within it, I'll just simple create a new folder, and I'll just simple name it Laravel 12 or just simple I'll name it as video call application. Okay, that's it. Just close this. And now what you have to do is I'll just simple go to my VS Code and click on file and open folder and go to D, and I have this folder in my Laravel 12, and this is the folder that we recently created. Just click on it, select folder, Okay, and now within this folder, I'll just simple create a new Laravel project. For your understanding, just click on new. Okay, and within it, I'll just simple create a new Laravel project. And for creating Laravel project, I'll just simple use this command Laravel new, and I'll just simple name my project as video call application. Okay, that's it. Just click on enter. And now it will create the project, and here you can see it asks me which starter kit you like to install. So we are going to work with React starter kit. Okay, and also we need authentication, so I'll just simple write here Laravel and click on enter. And we don't need any testing framework for now. Just click on enter, and now it will create our project within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, and here it asks you would you like to install node module, and run npm install npm run build, and just write here yes and click on enter. Okay, and here you can see my project is now set up, and now we just simple go to my project, and here you can see I have in the resources yes my all the React starter kit components. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is we just simple set up our database. Okay, and for this I'll just simple come to my project using this command and navigate to project using this. My project name is video call application. Just click on enter, and now after this just we don't need any table in it, and we don't need to add the tables in the migrations. Okay, so let's go to .env, and within the env I'll just simple these all my database credentials are comment out, so I'll just simple uncomment out these. Okay, and just use here as I'm using MySQL, so I'll add here MySQL and copy it and go to config database.php and paste here MySQL. That's it. Just close this, and now here in the database name I'll just simply add here my database name, then that is Laravel 12 video call. Okay, just this, so you can give your database name any. Okay, just to copy this and go to browser and click on new, and just add here new, and create it. Okay, so it will create the database for our this project. Okay, and now after it I'll just simply click on migrate to create all the tables. So I'll just simply use this command, that is php artisan migrate, and just click on enter. Okay, it run all my migrations without any error, and just go to here, click on it, and then I have all the tables. Okay, so that's great, amazing. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is just close this, and as in the project, and just we need to run our start our development server and also npm run. So we have two options, and composer run dev, and also I can run it separately one by one. So I'll just simply add here PHP artisan serve, and after here just come to project and use here npm run dev. Okay, that's it, and just click on it, and so here you can see it is not showing me, it is now showing me Laravel 12 welcome page, or we can say this as starter page. Okay, just click on register, and just I'll just simply register with a user John, and john@gmail.com, and just add in the password same this. Okay, just click on create account, and now it will create my account and bring me to dashboard, and also just simple show you from here. Just click on browse, and also it add the record here. So that's great, amazing. Okay, so now that's it, and we are in the dashboard, and as we see in the demo we need to add here the one nav item and one sidebar nav item here. Okay, and for this just bring back to our VS Code, and here is my starter kit uh, things. In this resources yes components we have library pages all the things. Okay, just go to components, and in the components we have app sidebar.txt, and within it I'll just simple need to make here the nav item, and for this just copy it and paste it here, and this time just add here the change this nav item to I'll just simple give it video call, and here I'll just simple add here video call. Just click on save and open browser, and here you can see it is now showing me the video call. Okay, video call nav item. Okay, but it is good to we just simple change the icon also here. Okay, it is not looking good. Okay, and for this I'll just simple add in it one icon, that is video. Okay, that's it. Just click on save and copy this and paste this here and bring back to page, and here you can see now I have this icon, and it is looking amazing. Okay, so that's it. And now what we have to do is we just simple need to create this page. So just simple copy this page, this title, and go to pages, and in the pages I'll just simple add create this page, that is video call dot tsx. Okay, that's it. And now we need to render this page. When I'll just simple click on it, and for this we need to define a function, and for this I'll just simple open my terminal and come to project, and within this I'll just simple create a new controller using this command, and I'll just simple give controller name as a video controller. Okay, just click on enter, and it create the video controller for me, and for we just simple need this and just close this. Okay, come here, go to app, http controllers, and here I have video controller, and within this I'll just simple add here the import first. So I'll just simple import it here. Okay, so first of all I'll just simple import here. I'll just simple use Nasha slash Nasha. Okay, that's it. Just simple do this and click on save. Just copy it again and paste it here, and remove it. And here this time I'll just simply use inertia and add init response and click on save. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this. So now I'll just simple define here now the function, and for this I'll just simple make here public function, and give it name video, and in it just simple use this response. Okay, and just make this. Okay, and within this I'll just simple return nature, and just simple render the page. So our page name is video call. Okay, and after it just simple get the users also on this page. So just call here user model also. So I'll just simple import the user model also here, use app slash model slash user. Okay, that's it. And user, and we need to fetch the user that are opposite role. Okay, not the user that are okay. So pass here the id, and for making opposite role just use here auth, and within it id. Okay, that's it. And then use here order by, and they use here created underscore add. Okay, we just simple do this and make it descending order. After it just simple use this get. Okay, so we just simple do this and now close this here. Okay, so we just simple render the page, and on the page I'll just simple get all the users. Okay, and now we need to define the route for it and go to uh, views, go to routes, web.php, and here I'll just simple define the route simply. So I'll just simple use a route get, and our route is video call. Okay, and then my controller is video controller class, and my function name is video. Okay, that's it. Just save this and just import this controller as use app slash http slash controller slash video controller. Okay, that's it. Just save this, and now I'll just simple open the terminal and come to project and just optimize it. So when you create a new view or routes, just optimize it first. Okay, that's it. Just go to browser and just simple click on video call, and I'll just simple come to video call, change the route, but does not show me anything. Okay, so that's it. Just close this and go to video call and just copy all the dashboard thing and place this in video call. Okay, and now come here, and this time it is showing me on the dashboard page this, and when it change the route it show me the dashboard page same here. Okay, so okay, so that's it, and now we need to write here code to show the users in the list that is in the demo. Okay, so just do this first. Just remove all the code and just simple start writing code in it. Okay, Okay, we just simple write this code and I'll just simple remove this extra. Okay, just click save this and go to browser, and here you can see fail to import Zigo video call. Okay, so now I'll show you, just copy this. Okay, so as I import this Zigo video call, that is I'll use this here. So when I'll just simple click on the user video icon, call icon from the list, it open this Zigo video call model. So we need to create this in the component, so we don't create it yet. So in the components I'll just simple create this. Just go to components, here is my component, and click on new file and create this .tss. Okay, that's it. Just save this, and we need to create the model in it. Just save this and come here and reload it. Here you can see it's me again error, that is the requested module does not require an export function. Okay, and for this I'll just simple add here for now export default and function, and add here function, and after it Zico video call, and pass in it user name, and just make it Zico video call props. Okay, and just add these here, and instead of this just add these brackets. Okay, so just save this and go to browser, and now just simple reload it, and now it show me the users here, users and call, but I don't have any user here registered. So I'll just simple register with a user. So I'll just simple duplicate it, copy it and close it, and open new browser. Just go to register. Okay, so I'll just simple register with another user, that is Lena at the rate gmail.com. Just copy it and paste it here and paste it here. Okay, and just click on create account, and it bring me to dashboard, and just go to video call, and it is showing me John, and here just simple reload it, and it is showing me Lina. Okay, and but when I'll just simple click on it, it just show me this dialog, but it does not anything in it. Okay, so we need to write the code in this Zico video call. So just simple write the code in it. Okay, just this, and remove this and start writing code in it. Okay, so now we just simple write this code here and I'll just simple remove this. Okay, that's it. And just save this. And now here I'll just simple show you it add here this script src link that we have in the file that we downloaded from Zigo Cloud. Okay, and here I'll just simple have this app ID server secret kit token, and that you can also have this here. Go to admin console and here you have the just simple go to project, and here you have this app ID, secret, and all the things. Okay, so I'll just simple add these here, and it automatically add this in a HTML file that we downloaded. And here I am passing here the room ID because I want users can join the same room. Okay, and that's it. And it is a simple code. Okay, and just go to browser, and here I'll just simple reload it, and this time when I'll just simple click on it, and it opened the pop-up model that we see in the demo, same thing. Okay, and now I'll just simple open it from the other side also. That's great, and it is showing the same name here, that is same as it is functionality that we see in the demo. And when I'll just simple click on join, and it joined the room, and here I'll just simple join from this side, and both user now are in the same room. Also I'll just simple send the message hey, and here I'll just simple receive the message, and now this user can also send the message that is hey from John, and that's it. And here I'll just simple receive the message in real time. So that's great, amazing thing. Also I'll just simple open the camera, share my microphone. You can test all the things, and also I can share my screen here. Just simple go here, and it is now showing the screen here. So that's amazing thing. Okay, so it is just because of this powerful Zico Cloud APIs. Okay, so you must try this and integrate this into your apps, and see its magic. Okay, so you can also explore Zigo Cloud site to explore to add to go with chat APIs and other things, that is voice live streaming and all other things. Okay, and this is now our today videos topic, and I hope you like this video, and must try this Zigo Cloud APIs and test this into your application. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.